Maybe the first time you know it.
Right on your cup? Yeah. It landed in my hair. I shit you not, it went. And then I was like, oh my God.
We got another one of these quiet ones, wondering if it's a Prius out here.
I think it's a Scion.
Oh, it's a Scion? Gotcha.
Tell Liz Uncle Ray ain't doing that.
Looks like we might be in two-wheel drive again. Silent but deadly here. Number 39, Leo Adams, coming in hard into the trees. Trying to get a reverse gear. That'd be neutral. There, he found it. Reverse. The big R.
The big retreat button.
Almost bottomed out here. Leo, lap number 1. He has a hard time finding that reverse gear.
No, 10 minutes ago. No, she didn't. She did really good.
I am an ass. Well, I told you to walk over here. Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were going back to the office. Just a bit more dirt than that. Yeah.
Coming in high, full throttle reverse, trying to make around that corner. And he may have just bound himself up back into that mountain of mud right on the corner. Two-wheel drive. Get out and run. Let's see, Leo. You got to get your time going. Oh, he's coming out. He says on the hood, I want to fly. Let's see if he can fly over that jump. Leo's got it matted to the floor. Let's see what Leo Adams, number 39, can do over the jump for you. Full throttle. He tried. Let's give Leo a hand.